Hi, honey bunnies. Well, you're my baby bottle pops. You know that. You will always be my baby bottle pops, okay? But sometimes I may want to switch things up, and I really hope that's alright with you guys. I always say this, but it's so true. I'm not a filthy liar. I'm being honest. It feels like it's been 20 years since I heard from you guys, posted a video. I love Halloween, so I've just been doing all kinds of festive Halloween types of thing. Today, I'm gonna be opening all kinds of LOL surprise color change products. So not actually the dolls, but I'm gonna talk about that right now. In the past, I know that I have said that I absolutely despise the color change line of dolls. Well, not despise them, because the color change thing, the thing that literally makes them called color change surprise dolls, you dip it in some water, and then the color change lasts for like 5 seconds, and then as soon as like the air hits it, it goes right back. If you want to hear my full gripe with all of that-ish, you can go watch my top 5 least favorite LOL surprise doll lines video. It's out there, it exists. I have a lot of the color change surprise doll because regardless of if I like them or not, I am a hoarder when it comes to these little plastic pieces of turd. So that being said, I try to collect as many as I can, you know, even if they're ugly. Because to be honest with you guys, the ugly dolls, like, they're more unique, right? They're cooler, they're more real, you know, they're not caring so much about their outer appearance. I'm digging too deep into this. They're dolls. I have all kinds of the LOL surprise color change dolls. So when I came across this section in the doll aisle at Walmart that had the pets and the little tiny babies color change line series dolls, I couldn't pass them up. I had to get them. I had to get a couple to show you guys because I've never actually really opened or cared very much about the pets. You know, new for me as well. And also I'm looking like a hypocrite because I said in, you know, that one video that I don't even like these dolls, but it's my money. I can spend it how I want, damn it, okay? I can spend it on pieces of plastic that I don't even like if that's my own very, very uneducated decision. If you're brand new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do mainly doll videos like this, but I also will eventually do some story times. You know, I'll mix it up, but mainly I do doll videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you are not new here, hi, I love you so much. You're my baby bottle pop. You know that. Like, and leave me a little comment down below for the engagement, you know? God, these hoodie strings, I just can't stop touching them. They're my new hair. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming to the channel today. Stick around. There's gonna be more. I prom. Enjoy the video. So first up, I have 2 color change pets. 2 of these bad boys. Usually I hate the pets. Unless they have real hair. I do enjoy the ones with real hair. Those are interesting. These ones I usually don't care for because, I don't know, I like Barbie kind of already did the whole obsessed with pets doll that's way too way too overly saturated with animals in her life as if she's a farmer girl. We already see that in other doll lines. Also, they just look kind of strange. Comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about the LOL surprise pets. Like, do you purchase them often, or do you feel like they're kind of just a waste of money? Let's go ahead and crack into these 2. I just want you guys to know, I have to pee so bad that it's actually not even cute or funny. It's actually painful and probably a medical issue, but I've made like a weird personal challenge within my own head to not go to the bathroom until after this video. This is what the ball looks like after I have peeled her of her 29 layers of plastic. It's not actually 29, by the way. I'm just being dramatic. If you're unfamiliar with what the color change surprise poster looks like, this is what their poster looks like. It's actually a very, very cute poster. Not my favorite line of dolls that they've ever done, that's for sure, but I like the poster. We're not gonna start with the pet, because I feel like that's just savage of me. First surprise, it's the bottle, and I think I know who this is just based on the bottle. I think this might be Merbabies. I think this is. Guys, this is the next surprise little purse, and I think this is, as a matter of fact, Merbabies' little pet. Next surprise is some glasses here. some glasses, and they're beautiful, very sparkly and pink. There's a little bit of glitter like actually on the lenses, but that always happens, so I'm not surprised by that. That is not the LOL surprise here. Okay, next bag. She comes with, I don't know why I'm gendering her, a little tail? A little mermaid tail. Let me give you a better look. So yeah, I'm assuming that this goes on the pet. This is probably gonna be like the little outfit. Okay, all right. I'm invested now. I'm thoroughly invested in this little piece of plastic that wasted $8 of my money. Next it comes with another tail, another sparkly tail. This one's pink and sparkly. Okay, so maybe it's an animal that has 2 legs. There's one more surprise before the pet. Oh, okay, I lied to you. I accidentally just opened the pet. It was an accident. I'm so sorry. And I do believe it is Merbaby's little cat sibling because the hair is so similar. I actually have Merbaby right here. Yeah, like look at these hair colors. That's definitely gotta be Merbaby's. Oh god, her little pearl thing is like choking her to death. There's one more surprise here. Oh! It's 2. It's 2 of them, you guys. Okay, so maybe she's like rare or something. Check this out. That makes sense why there's 2 tails, obviously. Oh, this one is really cute. Sparkly blue hair with blue eyes. I'm gonna dress them up, put their little tails on, and show you. But first, I just wanted to show you this. Yeah, and then we're gonna take a little look at the checklist to see just how rare these little shits are, okay? So here's the family all together. I figured out, well, I assume that the glasses that it comes with are for the LOL doll, just to make her a little more fancy, you know, so that you have a little extra accessory for her. And the pets, as I said before, are very, very interesting. Now, we're gonna find out how rare they really are. Splash Meow Maid is one that I've got here, and she's rare. She's got the heart. Merkitty. Okay, so I've got Merkitty and I've got Splash Meow Maid here. I really want Rah Rah Skunk. Look at Rah Rah Skunk. Oh my god, it's a skunk, but it's also like a cheerleader. Holy shit. Next. Ball. I'll never get comfortable with saying the word ball so many times in a row. I forgot to check the clue last time, but it doesn't really matter because I forgot. These are color change clues, so in order to even read the clue, I think I have to dip it in some water or something, and I don't have that at the exact moment. Okay, so I successfully have unwrapped the nut. It's a little different color than the first one. The first one that I opened is slightly more purple, I feel like. This one's like a light bubblegum pink, this ball. All right, let's go ahead and open it. First surprise. We have some type of animal ears. I can't identify what kind of animal they are. They're just pointy and furry, so they could literally be anything. They could be my mom's ears for all I know. Second surprise. Okay, so second surprise was this, which I'm guessing is the little, like, I don't know, diaper. This one right here feels like just the bottle. Okay, so here's the colors. Alright, so far, no freaking idea who it could be. It might be, guys, I'm taking a guess here, which is probably going to be wrong, but that's hilarious, right? Because it's funny to see a gay man embarrass himself. I think it might be Baby Next Door's pet. So, let's find out. This right here, I think, must be the pet, because it's quite large, whatever that is there. So the last surprise, I think, is this thing. Oh, that's cute. It is like it's like a foam finger, and guys, I know exactly who this is now. This is Daring Diva's pet. Daring Diva, she's the one that is definitely like a parody kind of on Miley Cyrus's VMA performance with Robin Thicke. Guys, she had the foam finger, she had the exact same hairstyle as Daring Diva. I'm gonna put a picture of Daring Diva, right? And then I'm gonna put a little picture of Miley Cyrus right after it so that you guys can see. I'm shocked. Like, how could they do this with a doll brand for children? Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, so this is the Daring Diva dog. This is what she looks like, and she's so pretty, you guys. Check her out. She's painted real well. Her eyes look really, like, perfect to me. The hair is identical to the Daring Diva doll. So here's the Daring Diva doll, aka Miley, Miley, come swing the thing right by me. Yeah, that's Miley Cyrus, you guys. There's even a little butthole. Can you see the butthole? I think you can see the butthole. I don't know if that's like there for a reason. I think maybe it will poop if you feed it something. It does come with a bottle, so yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's a reason. So her name is Daring Doggy. Daring Doggy. And she's popular, so yeah, but I'm still happy that I have her because I have the doll. I was really hoping also for the owl. I like the owls, like the Go-Go Birdie or the Foxy Flyer. Here's Daring Doggy, the daringest doggy. The ears are really hard to get on. You have to put them underneath her actual doggy ears. Okay, next we're gonna do the Color Change Surprise Lil Sisters bundle that I have. 2 of these as well. I just went crazy, I guess. I don't know. I was feeling the color change spirit, because I'm kind of wishing that I could change my colors right now, become a whole new person. Like, how cool would that be, right? If you guys could become a whole new person, who would you want to be? I would want to be Taylor Swift, because she's pretty, she's blonde, she can get, like, whatever guy she wants. She's super talented. Like, who wouldn't want to be Taylor Swift? Super random gay rant, I'm sorry. So we're getting kind of the same color of light pink with this one. I think it's almost identical to this color of pink, but slightly lighter, I think. That's so weird. Okay, so maybe every single ball is gonna be pink. Like, I don't know, because even the rare one that I got, she was pink too, so. First surprise. Ooh! Here's the first surprise, y'all. That is gorgeous. Sparkly, like, diamond bag. I don't know why, but that just gave me so much melatonin. Such a burst. I don't know. It took me back to my childhood. I have a feeling this is gonna be the Genie baby, and I was right. I don't know why I opened her off camera, but yes, it is the Genie little baby. And I have the Genie. So that makes me very happy in my soul. Very, very happy in my soul. Okay, next thing that she came with is this little gold necklace. Something that I really like about the sisters, and I think is really, like, I don't know, interesting and cool, is that their heads can also pop off. Like a normal LOL doll. That's so cool. That's so cool. And very helpful, obviously, to put on accessories. Okay, so it's about 10 hours later, you guys. I popped off the head. And it's so ironic because I was just like bragging about how you can so easily take off the heads of these. I would not take off the head, you guys, because sometimes when you pop them off, it's really hard to get them back on. This one, it came off really easy, but then trying to get it back on, it was torture. She comes with one more surprise, so let's see what that could be. Oh, okay, it's just this. It's just this. Is that everything? Is that everything? I think that's everything for Genie. Well, okay, so she has a necklace, the doll, and this beautiful little bag. Oh, guys, no way. No way. I got a repeat. That's hilarious. Okay, so I got 2 of the Genie doll. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. So let's see how rare the Genie doll was. Oh, okay. She's fancy, so she's not completely popular, which is shocking because I just got 2 in a row. I'm pretty disappointed, you guys. I don't have any of these. I never get the littles. I'm actually kind of excited to get 2 little sisters for 2 of my different dolls, but now I only have 1. I love the doll. She's so cute. I can't believe I got a repeat. No way. Okay, so just for shits and giggles, because I just got a repeat, and I'm very sad, so now I need something to cheer me up. We're also going to be opening this LOL Surprise All-Star BBs. I don't know if this is the most current series of these, but I do know that it's like the Summer Games version. I think it might be the newest one. Inspired by the 2021 Olympics, or the 2020 Olympics, or whatever, in the summer. I'm very excited, actually, for these, and I know that in the past I said that I hated the All-Star BBs, so feel free to call me a hypocrite, because I am. I am a hypocrite, and also I am a hippo based on how much I eat. These ones I think I might like though, just a little bit, you guys, because look, they have like, I think she's like a roller derby chick. Yeah, boogie and roll. Oh my god, roller derby. Back here we have the David Bowie inspired LOL doll, which I'm praying to God, please God, give me the David Bowie doll. She's like a baton twirler. So yeah, they're really representing some cool sports in this one, not just like football and baseball. Because yeah, to be honest with you guys, those sports just make me cringe. Remind me of the bullies from high school that I hope are doing terrible right now. Let's start peeling. Here's our little clue. Our clue is world record. She's a world record holder. Okay, I'm excited. So here is what the ball looks like. It has a clear top, and the bottom is silver with stars all over it. Very cute. I do like the balls, you guys. It's just like I don't know what to do with them. If you guys have any like fun, crafty ideas of what I could do with the balls, comment down below, because you know, I feel like I'm really wasting something good here. Let's get into the surprises. Start with this one because it's very oddly shaped. So let's see what this could possibly be. Oops. I think I accidentally just revealed who I got. So yeah, it's Soul Babe, and she is like the roller derby girl. So yeah, I think that's who I got. Oops. Let's keep going, regardless. So this is the bottle, very pretty blue with sparkly gold on top. Okay, alright. Guys! They come with a lanyard. Y'all. And I think the idea here is that you should be able to put this little thingy here on your lanyard. But if you didn't want to do that, you could always just use this for, I don't know, everyday activities. Holy shit, you guys, this is so cool. I need every single doll from this series just so I can have a collection of LOL surprise lanyard. On to the next surprise. Whoa. Okay guys, they're really stepping it up from the past All-Star BB's series. Never had accessories like this, or a lanyard, but this accessory here is so detailed. It's obviously some kind of like a gym bag, but it has like a cat zipper and a broken heart there and glitter. It's pure gold. Oh my gosh. It really opens, obviously, so that you can put her gym essentials in there, I guess. Yeah, it looks like her headband. Very sparkly, dark blue, matches with everything so far. Her bottle, everything. Oh yeah, and her bottle says boogie and roll, so it definitely is the roller derby girl from the artwork on the very front of the ball. Very unique sport too, you know, the roller derby. I don't feel like Barbie's really hit that base yet. I don't feel like a lot of dolls have really represented roller derby girls. So this is awesome. There's the roller derby outfit. It says boogie and roll on there. It is her gold medal. She's a winner, baby. Her gold medal in roller derby activities. I don't know what they do. I just think they kind of just beat the living hell out of each other. That's kind of the vibe that I always got. Here are her shoes, which I love. Oh my god. Sparkly gold. Okay. And then on the bottom we have dark blue skates. Dark blue wheels. They feel like heavy too. Let's go ahead and see the doll. Y'all, she is so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Her lipstick is to die for. Her eye color, I think, is a new one. Have they ever done an LOL doll with this eye color? If they have, I don't have it. That is so pretty. Orange eyes, what the hell? Oh, and her hair is very, very neat as well. I don't know that there's ever been one with this hair mold. It seems slightly different to me than anything I've ever felt in my hand. It's similar to a different hair mold that I've seen, but I think it might be different. Just a little bit. Ah! See, okay, so I ended on a happy note. Let's open a checklist though real quick and find out who exactly we dealing with here. Here's the poster. There's our girl there. They look so cool. Oh my god, there's a synchronized swimmer. I need the synchronized swimmer. Oh, there's two. There's our girl, and she is popular There's nothing too very fancy about her. The David Bowie one, Stardust Queen, she is the rare one of the series, which I knew that. I knew that shit. And then we have Sink Swimmer, which is the one that I really, really am dying for, you know, someday. And she's also a rare one, so you may have noticed a costume change in this very, very bad play that I'm putting on here for you today. That's because it got literally hotter than hell in my apartment. I don't know what happened. I didn't touch it, okay, because I prefer to not be burning in hell prematurely. I'm going there soon, so I really just don't want to like speed the process. My mom also said that she didn't do it, so we're haunted, I guess. If you've made it to the very end of this video, I think I forgot to show you what she looks like. Full, by the way, random, but this is what she looks like. Very cute. Very cute. Soul Babe. I made it to the end of this video. Just know that me and Soul Babe absolutely adore you. We think that you are spectacular and gorgeous. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I'm sorry about the super long break. I'm really gonna try not to do that anymore. I'm so sorry. Truly, I really, really am. So sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I really, really love you guys so much. Maybe turn on my post notifications because that really helps out a lot, because I don't ever have to worry about you guys missing out on a video, not seeing it, and stuff like that. That would just break my heart. I need the attention, okay? I crave it in my body. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing, amazing day, night, afternoon, whatever it is for you. And bye.